Yo guys! Uncle!
Oh yeah!
Gabi Uncle, oh. Gaya idol eh.
This is our new...
Papart! Gabi ang papart eh. Hello part. So this is our new Kiki Audio FDT15. So load test tayo ng amplifier to. So it is compressed of 4 channels. So same lang yung ano niya. Output, yung mga connection, same lang sa 1, 2. Meron lang nag-iba yung transformer pinalaki. So much bigger transformer, so mas mataas na yung ano niya, length niya dito aside sa original. Yung predecessor niya 1, 2. Yan. So on na natin without any further ado. So we have our new display. So I have already set this to 100 Hertz, the signal, and check this out. We have our own spectrum analyzer. Spectrum analyzer. Okay, paliw ko. Usab ito kayo. Adjust. Spectrum analyzer. See? Every frequency. Makikita dito yung ano, feedback. Yung too much output. And balik sa 100 Hz. Okay. So meron siyang spectrum analyzer. I love it. Tsaka mas ano siya, mas maliwanag yung display. So now, pull natin to. So yan. Also with force limiting action. So hindi ko pinatanggal kasi gusto ko yun. And so yan. Mag-load tayo ng actual output niya. So ito yung galing sa Variac. Ito rin yung mismong output, power consumption output. So it's really a 1,500 watts. Ayan, 1,500 watts RMS output at 100 Hertz. Power consumption of 2,200 watts at 8 ohms. So natin konti, let's say 4 ohms. Yan, ito yung 4 ohms naman. 2,300 watts. 3,700 yung power consumption. 2,300 watts at 4 ohms load. Okay, so this is our Kiki Audio FDT 15, and it is really 15 Tatak FDT 1005 RMS at 8 ohms load. And true rated with spectrum analyzer. 4 channels. 1, 2, 3, 4. And open na tong ano. Close lang. Pause ko muna ang video. So okay, continue the video. So part, pwede mo yan part. Okay. Ito yung diameter niya. So around 9.19 and 1/4 something yung ano niya, yung transformer, and very small. Hindi malaki yung ano niya dito, gap, meaning malaki yung ano niya, core area. So this is FDT15, and we will use this one. Same lang ni C60 White. OMG, pang sub. Inilagay sa grabe ang laki yung ano niya ng transformer. So here, let's test this. So ito yung 18 standard 18 inches. Ay, hindi, substandard yung size niya. Ayan, 18. Ano ba yung mga amplifier na standard? Ito yung P5 standard to eh. Yung ano niya. Ayan. So, dito we have 17 here. So, para nalagay namin to. So, oversize yung width. Okay. So, this is the FDT FDT 1.5 and load test natin. Okay. I don't have ground. Okay. Load test natin sa yan, 1,500 watts. Ay, na-video ko na ba to? Na-video ko na yata. Okay. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to update for new other videos. FDT 1.5 Babushka.